Hey, today we are out at a horse property and we're going to take a look at it. We're going to go in and we're going to see my friend Robin. She is about to list this house and we're going to take a look at this house before she lists it and just go through the entire house and what you're looking at in a small property. What's really nice about this house is it is in the heart of Scottsdale, Phoenix area, inside the 51. Actually, the 51 is just across the street. I am going to flip the camera around here and we're just going to take a look at this 1 acre property. It's going to be priced right under $1 million. Let's go take a look at it. So as you look at this property, comes in this. Let's go check this out. Well, there she is. There's Robin. Hey, how's it going? Good. We're gonna just kind of come through and take a. Hey, there's Mike. Take a look at the house and see what you have going on and go through some of the things that you did. You did an amazing job on this house.
You?
Let's talk a little bit about what you actually did to this house. So we come into the living room here and it looks really nice. You did a nice job picking out the colors and putting this all together. This is a slump block home, so nice thick brick walls, which is awesome. Keeps it a lot cooler.
Yes, there was paneling in here, so whoops.
Was paneling?
Yeah, the paneling down.
And then did you open up this?
I guess I wired that.
It looks great. It looks great. And then what did you do in the kitchen?
In the kitchen. Pretty much everything. Right in that, they got rid of the old cabinet. I softened across the top. We have any countertops, flooring, lighting.
Like everything. And you got this is a really cute house. And then what's down this wing down here?
Bathroom, I moved the doorway on the bathroom,
Okay.
so it was more functional.
Really nice. Really nice. And then what did we do down here?
Closet,
Closet there.
bedroom. This
Another bedroom.
wide and closet. Rest of my one.
Okay. You have this decorated really nice.
Troll and play out. All the rooms had different texture while dealing.
This turned out really nice. So you have 3 bedrooms over in this part here.
And I got rid of the window here after the door in.
Okay.
And then this is where I widen opening on the closet.
Closet. And then this bedroom has an ensuite with a
A pocket door here.
shower. Nice. And then what's out here? Patio?
Or a safe zone with animals.
Okay.
A door that goes out.
I see that. Oh. So you nice little patio out here. And then you get your dog door there for Mike. Mike the dog, he's awesome. This is nice. Let's go see the rest of the house in.
Okay.
So I understand this is another area on the other side of this barn door over here that you use. Oh, and then we got, before we see that, let's go through here and see what's in here. So this area, oh, I see you have a mini split out here. And you have your laundry room here. So this
was outdoor laundry before.
This is a really cute area. And then you got a covered patio out here too. Okay, let's go take a look at this other area that you have. And what was this in here?
I think originally it was a carport, and then the former owner converted it into a garage.
Okay. Wow, this is a really nice living space here too. So big. So then you have access to going outside here. You have a real large bifolding door here too.
Or you can actually put a vehicle in here. I've had my car in here.
Okay. All right. So if you wanted to use it as a garage still, you still can do that. That's nice. Yep. Or else it's your main bedroom.
Or you could even, if you wanted to use it for a family room, you could put a dining room table and still have a sitting area to watch.
Yep. Just a really nice flex room. And then you have another bathroom in here with a shower. And plenty of closet area.
Oh, and then a mini kitchen.
And then a mini kitchen. That's this, and then another dog door down there too for Mike and the dogs. Let's go take a look at what's outside. So you have another area that's covered. You have a lot of covered areas.
Yeah, it's
in
nice.
Here. Yeah.
Carport doors.
Yeah, and then you have a big gate here.
And in a Bedford.
That's nice.
Its own separate AC unit for this segment of the house.
Okay. Versus just a mini split. So that's nice.
A mini split and other
AC on the other. Then you have this carport covered area, which will accommodate anything in here. This is really cute, Robin. Really cute. And then you got some horses.
Yes.
So this is a full acre, or is this a little over acre?
It's a little over, just slightly over 1.062.
Okay. Let's talk a little bit about what you got over there in the corner for the horses.
That's a tack shed.
Tack shed?
Actually, it was a chicken coop, and I converted it into a tack shed.
Okay.
And there is an alley in the back, but it's a dead-end alley on both sides.
Okay. You got water coming out here.
I've got a
hose over there. Okay, that comes out.
And then there's two shade structures for the horses here.
All right.
This is Cruz.
And Cruz is cruising over. There's this fly hood on. Oh, Mike.
Leave it like.
This is really cute. Really
And
cute.
it's really quiet considering the freeway is right now.
Yeah.
You can't really hear anything in the backyard.
No. No, this is very nice.
And then I planted all the trees out here, and there is a drip system.
Okay. And it's so clean and wide open out here.
I have plenty of room for a pool or a racquetball court.
Anything that you wanted to.
And the lot can be divided. It's zoned R14. And I
R14.
talked to the city. They said it could be divided into 2 or 3 parcels with a variance.
Okay.
Right.
Then you have a RV hookup over here. That's kind of nice.
If you have guests come visit, they can hook right up. And you've got your got your muck trick, and then you can hook up in receptacle.
Okay. Right there. Okay, perfect.
And the septic tank is new.
Okay.
And actually, you could hook up one, if you were to put like a guest house or something, you could hook up one more bathroom to the septic.
Oh, okay. So it'll allow another casita to be built in. Okay, great. Sure. Well, this is awesome. All right.